We're excited to invite you to a unique, powerful worship experience. Harp and Bowl Worship at Hunger Mountain Christian Assembly in Waterbury Center, Vermont. Mark your calendars for Saturday, February 10th, starting at 2 p.m. Drawing inspiration from the book of Revelation, particularly Revelation chapter 8, where it speaks of golden bowls full of incense, representing the prayers of the saints. Our Harp and Bowl Worship seeks to bring together music and prayer in a seamless and beautiful way. In the book of Revelation it says, "And another angel came and stood at the altar with the golden censer, and he was given much incense to offer with the prayers of all the saints on the golden altar before the throne." At Hunger Mountain Christian Assembly, we believe in creating an atmosphere where music and prayer intertwine, a space where worship and intercession flow together, just as they do in the heavenly realms. So if you're seeking a deeper connection with Jesus Christ, join us on Saturday, February 10th at 2 p.m. Hunger Mountain Christian Assembly is a place to be for an afternoon filled with uplifting music, heartfelt prayers, and a sense of unity with fellow believers. Come and be a part of this special gathering as we lift our voices and instruments in worship, just as the elders did in Revelation. Together, let us create a moment that resonates with the harmony of heaven. Join us with the Hope Worship Team at Hunger Mountain Christian Assembly on Saturday, February 10th. Don't miss your divine encounter.